right, hello. Hope you're doing good and hope you have practiced a little. Let me create another file where I'll say for loop dictionary. As I said, we will be working with the for loop and the dictionary. I hope this is visible. I have made it a little big. All right, so I'll write down. Remember, I copied it last time, so I'm using it over here. So squares is equal to 1 is to 1, 2 is to 4. All the square numbers, 3 is to 9, 4 is to 16, 5 is to 25. You can add as many numbers as you want, plug in. It's simply you need to just play with these. All right. So now the next thing which I should write is the for loop, how you can iterate on the dictionary. So we will be using definitely a for loop for that. For I in square 2, I would just write down print. I'll simply first try to write down what comes in I. Okay, let's see what happens if I write this. I'm sure you understand why we have done this with respect to the list. If you have taken the list class, and if you haven't, I highly recommend you to do that first before doing this. And if I run it, see, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the keys it has mentioned. Now, if I write down something like this, if I write something like this, so this should be squares. My bad. So squares 2. All right. Now, if I try to print this up now, have a look. It's giving me all the values at the one side, all the keys at the one side. All right. This is one way. There are a few more ways where how you can explore this up. Let me just quickly tell you. So for I in squares 2 dot items print I. Let's see what happens if I run this up. See, this is giving me something. So can I just print the type of I over here and see what it is? So it is a tuple. You see, this is a tuple. It was just a digit over here, just a number, and now it's the tuple. All right, so it keeps changing as and when required. All right. It keeps on changing is not the correct way of telling you this, but I meant that if I write something like this, it'll give me a tuple, and if I write something like this, it will just give me the digits of the numbers. All right, so this is one way. There is one more thing which you can try out, that is for I comma j in squares 2 dot. See, there are so many things over here. We have used items. Now let's use values and let's quickly print I comma j. All right, and there you go. It gives us an error. That means there is some issue with this. Let me just work with I first, then we will go with the next one. So yeah, see, have a look. It gives me the outcome scenario if I talk about the values, if we need to know about the values. All right, so this is how we iterate on the dictionary. All right, now there is one more thing which you should do over here, that is take up different questions with respect to all the data structures which we have already done, that is list, tuples, and dictionary. Next, what we will be doing is about set or sets. Okay, so that's it for the day. Let's meet on the next session and learn about set. All right. Have a great day. Thank you.